It's your girl Essence, from the hit play Grown Folks Business. But maybe you remember me from Sexual Healing, aka Sin and Secrets. It's hard to forget the one about the brothers on the down low, ain't it? Anywho, y'all need to come check me out at my new play, Baby Mama Trauma on Valentine's Day. See you there. All right now.
FaithWorks International presents a Valentine's Red Carpet Dinner Theater Extravaganza, premiering Baby Mama Drama. Finally, this one the fellas will like. One night only. Valentine's Day, February 14th, 7:30 p.m. at the Oasis Temple. Experience an evening of class, delicious cuisine, and cracking up comedy. Tickets are on sale until February 7th at Sharp Cuts in the Hickory Grove Shopping Center and Floyd's Restaurants on Milton Road and the North Graham Street locations. Baby Mama Drama, Valentine's Day at the Oasis Temple, across from the Sam's Club in the University area. Call 704-391-1614.
What did he say, food? Well, I know y'all gonna be there. SMHOMG. Enough said. I'll see you there. Y'all better get that ticket.